Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Auto Mart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site next to our partners at Blackpool Seat. As you can see, plenty of cars on the forecourt for you to come and have a look at should you choose to, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com, and you can look at all our vehicle listings online. But for now, today we have a 2020 Volkswagen Golf TSI Evo, and it's the match edition. It's a 1.5 petrol, 6-speed manual in mineral grey. It's the 5-door hatch, as you can see. I'll explain the boxes on the back seat shortly. You've got the shark fin aerial, integrated brake light and the back spoiler. Tinted windows at the back. And on this particular edition, you've also got sat-nav, front assist, cruise control, media system, convenience pack, touchscreen, driver profiles, winter pack, and front and rear sensors, as well as your 16-inch Woodstock alloys. As you can see, it is a lovely car. There's some nice little added touches to it as well. Again, I'll go through them with you shortly. So as you can see, nice deep boot for your hatch, 60/40 split on the back seats, plus you've got your space saver underneath. So as we mentioned before, in the boxes, notice you've got your rear lights as is. So in the box you've actually got your stock rear lights should you want to change them back, and in the bottom box you've got your original factory springs, because as you can see, this one has been lowered. So should you want to restore it back to the factory, those springs are included, so you can raise it back up should you want to. Got cloth interior throughout. There's your 6-speed gearbox. You got automatic parking brake, auto hold function. I'll just switch the ignition on for you. So you got your sat nav, main menu, giving you all your icons for your apps. Sat nav, radio, media, CarNet, app section, aircon. And just to show you the other little added touch, step out of the vehicle again. Obviously you've got your standard cockpit, headlights, indicators, cruise control, hands-free, audio functions, windscreen wipers, auto headlights, central locking and wing mirrors and windows. There's a little added bonus. You have your front grille light as well. So as you can see, it is a really nice car. Like I say, there's some nice little added extras there should you be into that kind of thing. So if you want to give us a call, by all means. You can visit us online, send us an email, or pop in and see us. We'll give you the keys and you can take it for a test drive, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.